Son of a bitch!
Fucking shit, man.
That he's attended too many of these memorial services in his time as president. He has hung too many families that have lost loved ones, and went on to say that the officers deserve our respect, not our
In 1.1 miles, take exit onto MD toward Mall.
What the fuck, dude? Eh?
That was all on Dashcam.
To let the other people over.
That red truck ought to make him get his behind out of the middle of the road.
Now he going around. See how he got enough shoulder, you can ride the shoulder. Oh, see, he trying to keep people from going. See, that's bullshit. He trying to keep people
You know what? He needs to be reported to the police.
All you got to do is bill where and all these cars can go.
If I see his tag, I am going to report him. He's not supposed to do that. He does not get the right to harm the road like that.
Holy shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa! That motherfucker just blew up!
You need the professionals at 1-800-DIVORCE to help protect your rights. This is Rick Jones of the law firm Goldberg & Jones. Selecting the right attorney for your divorce is one of the most important decisions a man can make. Even though your case may last only a few months, the impact...
Pull the fuck over!
Our firm represents
You just fucking ran me over!
custody and child support cases.
Call 1-800-DIVORCE. Get your phone questions answered at no charge. That's 1-800...
Pull over! You just fucking hit my car!
Columbia in Portland.
Did your vehicle get hit by someone else? Is their insurance covering the claim? Remember, an insurance company has only one client on paying it.
that live upstairs, and I kid you not, there's like 12 of them. And their favorite thing to do is to make...
Oh boy.
Oh dear God. Oh!
Oh shit. They just hit each other.
So you're going home?
Yes. I'm gonna go home and smoke a fucking huge fucking... Oh my god! Oh my god, I just hit the shit out of a fucking bear.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Did your car fucked up?
I gotta get off the phone, I'll talk to you soon. Oh shit.
They're just going to get out of the whole process. I mean, you got to wonder how many of these folks that supported Sanders were just not really excited about the process before, and now they just drop back out of the process if he gets behind her.
Maybe to Messenger, I can't tell if they're going to be awful. Maybe they will be both awful.
Watch out. Whoops.
Wasn't paying attention, sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem.
I was gazing at the lights.
Yeah, I know. This is more distracting than it is.
Way down, you know how low they are?
Oh yeah, back up, sure.